Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Motorola Moto G57 Power. So first, what you guys want to do is clean your microphone port with a non-metallic tool. If you use something metallic, then you can damage the port and it will be very bad. It's a common mistake. People use something to actually get it out, but all you need is a soft brush. If you use something like a SIM tray opener, this is actually a bad example, but I don't have anything else with me right now, then what you can do simply is damage the port with this, and this will be the side that you'll be cleaning it with. So definitely do not do that, because it's a common mistake. I don't want you guys to fall for it. Now next, what you guys want to do is test your mic. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to go over and open up the camera. So this is a bit of my test. This is how I'm doing it. Now, of course, we're gonna switch to video now. And I always like to record me talking for 5 seconds straight. So now we can just end the recording and we can go back and go here and make sure. And I always like to record me talking for 5 seconds. Yes, our microphone is working. If yours isn't, then what you guys want to do is go over and restart your phone. So go here, open up the control center, swipe the second time, click here in the bottom right corner. Now tap restart and the phone will start restarting. So while it's restarting, all you guys can do is simply make sure that your port is definitely cleaned out. So this is something from the beginning. Make sure to go and inspect it, see if it's clean, and if it is, then just wait for the phone to start again. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now after the restart, what we're gonna do is, as a last resort, check for software updates. So make sure you're on the latest version. It's very important, because if you're not, then maybe that's just a glitch. And as you guys can see, we need to scroll down in the settings to system updates. You guys can see it right here. Let me quickly lower the brightness for you. And here what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and click check for updates. Make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection. And here it will check for updates automatically. So I am on the latest version, but if you have an option to update your software, make sure to do that, because this way you will eliminate all of those glitches. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.